Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video today share the experience of Grand Quiz of MGT 301. Let us start the quiz. The business marketer normally deals with far fewer but far larger buyers than the consumer marketer does. Its answer is true. Sorry. As an employee of Banker's Enterprise, you market wild and crazy games for teens to play at parties. Your work in the business market. Sorry. As an employee of Banker's Enterprise, you market wild and crazy games for teens to play at parties. You work in the business market. Its answer is false. Next question. Business demand ultimately derives from the demand for consumer goods. Its answer is true. When sellers focus on existing needs and lose sight of underlying customer wants, they suffer from marketing myopia. Yes. Gatekeepers have formal or informal power to select or approve the final suppliers. False. The macro the macro environment consists of the factors close to the company that affects its ability to service its customers such as suppliers, customer markets, competitors and publics. Its answer is false. The twofold goal of marketing is to attract new customers by promising superior value and to keep and grow current customers by delivering satisfactions. Its answer is true. Today's marketers must be good at building relationship in order to connect effectively with customers, others in company and external partners. Its answer is true. During proposal solicitation, the buying center often will draw up a list of desired suppliers' attributes and their relative importance. Its answer is true. Sorry, it is false. Supplier selections was its true answer. Strategic market planning is the task of selecting an overall company's strategy for long run survival and growth. Its answer is true. Revlon has clearly defined its mission of selling lifestyle and self expression. As the firm prepares to launch its strategic plan, the mission needs to be turned into a detailed set of objectives that guide the whole company. Its answer is true. Secondary data provide good starting points and often help to define problems and research objectives, though most companies must also collect primary data. Its answer is true. ABC Interior Designs wants to collect research data through mechanical observation. The three typical methods are video cameras, checkout scanners, and internet cookies. Consumer organizations such as environmental and minority groups may question a company's marketing decisions. This type of public is called the local public. True. Alternative evaluation is how the consumer process information to arrive at brand choices. Consumers do not use a simple and single evaluation process in all buying situations. Yes. The significant trends in the natural environment include shortage of raw materials and increased pollution. Its answer is true. Significant reason for business laws to be enacted include protecting the interest of society, protecting consumers, and protecting companies from each other. A company buying a product or services for the first time faces a new task situation. Its answer is true. Mission statement should both fit the market environment and be motivating. as SBU can be a company division, a product line within a division, or sometimes a single product or brand. Its answer is true. Strategic control involves looking at whether a company's basic strategies are well matched to its opportunities. Its answer is true. At Air Online, we provide online services. Is a market oriented business definition. In the supplier selection stage, the buyer reviews supplier performance. Its answer is false. In the Boston Consulting Group approach, relative market shares serves as a measure of company's strength in the market. ABC Fortune has just developed a formal statement of its purpose. This firm has put together a mission statement. A market segment consists of consumers who respond in different ways to a given set of marketing efforts. Rahila works for the Aftab Beverage Company. She helps define product specifications and also provide information for evaluating alternatives. Rahila plays the role of gatekeeper. The central question for marketer is how do consumers respond to various marketing efforts the company might use. The starting point is called the stimulus response of buyer behavior. Marketers all agree that questionnaires are the most common research instrument. Its answer is true.